periodically we talk about products that we use. Have here two different pairs of shoes that are good for fall, winter, early spring wear. These are the SOM, I may be pronouncing that wrong, SOM Trailhead with a water resistant, very durable upper, a nice sole. And these are the Carson Footwear Woolly Bullies with an upper that's made of almost like a heavy duty blanket like you used to get if you went to Boy Scout or Girl Scout camp. Both of these have very wide toe boxes. Both of these have normal width heels, and both of them are what's called natural footwear. In addition to the wide toe box, what you have is the front of the shoe and the back of the shoe are at the same height. So two US companies, Christmas season, holiday season's coming up. SOM Trailheads, Carson Footwear Woolly Bullies. Carson Footwear Woolly Bullies has their own sizing you can check out on their website. I wear 12s and Ultras, and in the SOMs, I wear 11.5. Another movement tip, lifestyle hack from FitLab PGH.